What if your life isn't falling apart? It's just badly designed. Every failure, every wrong turn, every I don't know what I'm doing moment might not be weakness at all. It might just be poor design. And here's the twist. Once you understand how to design your life like a creator, everything changes. That's what people like Debbie Millman have done. She turned uncertainty into a masterpiece by designing it piece by piece. Today I'll show you how to do the same. Design isn't only for logos or buildings, it's for people too. Every routine, habit, and decision is part of your life's layout. But most of us live inside a design we never created. School, work, and expectations shape it for us. Debbie Millman, one of the great thinkers in design, once said, "If you imagine less, less will be what you undoubtedly deserve." Your life design begins when you stop accepting default settings and start creating custom ones. This isn't about perfection, it's about authorship. Define what you actually want. Here's the trap. Most people don't know what they want. They chase goals that look good on paper but feel empty when achieved. Debbie Millman teaches a powerful practice. Write the most beautiful day of your life 5 years from now in vivid detail. Where do you wake up? Who are you with? What are you working on? This isn't fantasy, it's a prototype of your future. When you write it down, you give your brain a blueprint to build from. Your future starts with a clear draft. Build systems, not wishes. Dreams fail when they rely on motivation instead of design. Design is structure. Motivation fades, structure endures. If you want to study more, don't wait to feel ready. Design a schedule, a location, a rule. Debbie says, busy is a decision. You decide what fills your time. So design your day like a studio, organized, intentional, functional. Each habit you set is another brick in your future structure. Test and redesign. Designers never get it right the first time. They test, fail, adjust, and try again. Your life deserves the same flexibility. Don't fear failure. Treat it as feedback. Every version of your routine, mindset, or project is a prototype. Debbie Millman built her career through reinvention, redesigning her path after rejection, not because of it. Perfection is not the goal, progress is. Your first draft is not supposed to be flawless, it's supposed to be useful. Design for energy, not just time. You don't need more hours, you need better use of the ones you have. Track what gives you energy and what drains it. Debbie says great design balances beauty and function. Your life should too. If something looks successful but drains your soul, it's bad design. Design a life where energy leads decisions, not fear, not obligation. Protect your mornings. Refuel your evenings. You'll work less but build more. Design for meaning, not just success. Success is hollow if it doesn't connect to meaning. Design without purpose is decoration. Ask yourself, who benefits from the life I am building? If your design helps others grow, you'll never run out of motivation. Debbie Millman's work proves this. Her designs and her teaching both expand other people's possibilities. Meaning is what keeps your structure standing when pressure hits. Design for impact, not applause. Your life is your biggest creative project. Every choice is a design decision. Every habit is a shape. Every failure is a redesign. Don't wait for inspiration. Start sketching today. And here's your challenge. After this video, take 5 minutes and write your 5-year plan the Debbie Millman way. Describe the most beautiful, honest day of your future life. Then design one small action today that brings that world closer. Because when you design your life with intention, you stop existing by chance and start living by design. Thanks for watching my video. If it gave you value and helped point you in the right direction, show your support by hitting like and subscribing. Drop a comment with your thoughts or your own time mastery tips. I'd love to hear them.